Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. In 60 seconds or so, I want to tell you how you can grow rosemary and have high germination and really fill your seed cells with plants that look like this. This is all rosemary over here and all the way across. On my other channel, I have two YouTube channels. I have a series called 60 Seconds or So. They're about 2-minute videos. They give you tips. I will put the link to that channel in this description. So a lot of people struggle with rosemary because these are technically perennials. Perennial seeds often need to go through a process called stratification. That's where they get cold temperatures for a lengthy period of time. That cold breaks down an enzyme in the seed that inhibits germination. So if you don't do that, or if you're buying seeds that haven't gone through that process, you're going to get a low germination rate. So what do? Take your packet of rosemary seeds, put them in a refrigerator for 10 to 14 days before you plant them, take them out, and they should germinate better. The other tips that I have, you can see in here are several seeds. Don't just put one rosemary seed into a tray. Put in anywhere from 3 to 6. I always overseed. A lot of these have been divided up and then moved into other cells so that I'm going to have a great, just really a great harvest of rosemary, and I'm going to be trying to grow these as perennial bushes in other places in my yard. The other thing is when you put them into the seed starting mix, press the seed starting mix down, make it nice and solid, drop your seeds on, and then you want to just scrape them in not too far. Some people leave them on the surface. I like to put them just a little bit under the surface. Rosemary also doesn't like to stay wet, so once germination happens, let the tops of the starting mix turn that light brown. That means the water's coming, is evaporating away, so the tops of the soil is dry, and let them stay dry for about 2 days or 3 days. The moisture will stay in the bottom of the cell, so you're going to be okay, but they do like that dry period. If you follow these techniques, you will have more success at germinating rosemary, and you'll be able to get, I think I have 24 plants right here. Thanks for watching, and please check out my other YouTube channel.